Ready to unleash your creativity? In this step-by-step Canva t-shirt design tutorial, you'll learn how to transform your ideas into stunning wearable art. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, discover insider types and tricks that will elevate your designs and make your shirts stand out. Let's dive in and turn your vision into reality. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a t-shirt designs with Canva. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform that allows individuals to create a wide range of visual content, including t-shirt designs. It offers an extensive library of templates, images, fonts, and design tools, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced designers to bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Alright, so let's come back to the top. To get started, all I have to do right now is just click over here in the top right. We have here a button of signing up, but I already have an account, that's why we don't have it here, but you'll find it here. Also you'll find the option of login and you get started with Canva. Alright, so let's just discover right now the plan and the pricing. So as you can see, we have here 4 packages or 4 options or 4 choices for payment. You can just use the free one if you want. Design anything and bring your ideas to life. No cost, just creativity. Then we have the pro one. It'll have premium content, more powerful design tools, and AI features. Then we have teams. Transform teamwork, grow your brand, and simplify workflows. Then we have enterprise. Empower your organization with an all-in-one workplace solution. All right, so for example, I will just select this home and then I will search about the details about how it works. So we have just to click over the free one and you will find here the features and other things. All right, so right now you have just to click over here and you click over home and then you get started and you will find this page as you can see. So firstly, we have just to search for t-shirts like that. Then you'll find this page as you can see. So for example, let's just choose in this one, or we have here various templates. You can just choose the one you think it's better or the one you want. So right now let's just click on oversee all like that and you'll find a page which is this one with the templates that you want or that you think it's better. For example, right now I will just select the filters. We have here categories like business, social media, education, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations. Then we have the style. If you want modern, minimalist, simple, colorful, you can just select it and you'll find here clear all, and we have here one, and you'll find all the templates that we have with pink and the theme. All right, also we have the language to feature, grade, subject, topic. Also we have the topic here. As you can see, you can select music, architecture, chemistry, sorry. Then we have the price. I will select, for example, the free one, and about the color I will select the black one. All right, then I will just click over apply and you will find these templates with the color that you choose. All right, so for example, I will just choose this one and I will click over customize this template and you will find a page which is this one as you can see. So here we have it. Right now let's design our t-shirts together. Right, so let's get started. Firstly, I will just delete this one. If I don't like this template, I will just click over design and select other templates like with this one. So also I will select the color, for example this color or this one. I think this one is more better. I will just delete right now all these things and I will add mine. Right, so firstly I will select the color which is black. I think black is better. Then also I will select the elements. For example, let's searching for the dragon, and here we have it. As you can see, I will select the color of the dragon. For example, I will select the white. As you can see, I will put it in the middle with a normal size like that. Then also I will delete all these things, as you can see. Alright, right now you have just this, for example, this one, and I will just select the color. For example, I will select the black one. Also here and this one I will select all the white one. Alright, so this is how it looks. Also I will modify the size. I will put it here above of the dragon, as you can see. Then I will add, for example, a text. You will just to go to the text and you add a heading, for example. Then you will just modify the font size. For example, I will put it here, for example, 56. And as you can see, and I will add, for example, something like dragon 5, for example, and just add whatever you want. Alright, we have also here, for example, for the add brand such as logos, colors, fonts, print files, photos, graphics, icons as well, but this one it's pro, you have to pay for it. Or you can just click over upload and you click over upload files and you upload from your computer, right? Then you can also use the option of recording yourself. You click over record yourself and you have to allow for the themes of Canva. Then you'll find this page which you have to just record in yourself. Here we have 3, 2, 1 and get started recording. As you can see, we have the seconds and you have just to click over done. Once you're done, then you have just to click over save and exit in the top right, or you can just click over exit the studio on the top left. But first let's just clicking over delete and let's come back to the template and modify it. For example, I don't like the size of this one. I modify it, put it here more huge, right? Also, if you want to add videos, and for example, you can upload something on your computer and you add it like I did. Then we have also here, if you want to draw, you can just select here the color that you want and you put it here. As you can see, for example, the white one. Then I will select the white one and I will just add, for example, something here. All right, as you can see, you start drawing if you like drawing, right? As you can see, here we have it. If you don't like it, you have just to click over the razor like that and you will delete it. Or you can just click over Endo. We have Endo and we have Redo here. And also we have other options like project, application, if you want to add QR code as well. Alright, right now I will show you how you can share this template. For example, I will just come back like that and here we have it. You have here in the top right the button of share. I will click over it. You can just add people that you want, or you can select here only you can access the design using this link, or we have here anyone with the link can access to design. So I will select this one. Then we have here other options like if you want to download, public view, link, sample booklet, and we have here SEO. If you want to put it in your browser, and if someone click over here, just dive in to your browser or the link, you will find it. You have just to click on public view link, and you have just to create public view link like that, and you have just to share this to your friends, copy it and you share it with your friends. And once you have just to copy it and you paste it here, you will find it. As you can see, here we have it. As you can see, so you have just right now to get started with this one and to share it, and then you will find it. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. Hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.